Yo, what's going on everybody? This is Monster here with a brand new video. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Gameboy Advance games. So, let's get to it. So, the first thing is head over to Google, type this in, mGBA.io, and go to downloads. Once you're here, you want to download this one, the Windows Portable one. Save it to your desktop. Alright, also we're going to need something called winrar, so we can extract the files if you don't have it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get WinRAR real quick. So you gotta go back to your Google and type in WinRAR, go to download, and just hit the, depending on what language you are, you know. And for us it'll be English, whoever speaks English. So hit the first one right here, just download it, save it, and install it. So let's get back to the GBA, install this one. So you want to extract it to your desktop. So extract this file here, put it in your desktop, and you want to open it up. Once you see this, just open mGBA file. We'll get something like this. If you want to connect your controller to your PC, connect your controller right now. You want to head over to Tools and go to Settings, and then go to Controls right here. Connect your controller. And there's something's gonna pop out. Like, see how mine has a PS4 controller? And you just put your button layouts. Once you all have that, just press apply and put OK. And if you want to change something else like the audio, because I'm gonna turn the audio because it's really loud. So the audio's gonna be right here, the first one. I'm gonna mute right now for right now. And OK. Also, for you guys might wondering like, oh, how do we get the games or where we download them? I can't tell you that. You just have to figure it out by yourself. Just make a Google search and you'll see where you get the games. So let's just run one game, open up real quick. So game. So I have my games in my desktop folder right here. So I'm gonna be running Mario versus Donkey Kong. Where is it? One of my favorite games. As you can see, it's working now. You can use your controller too. So this is the end of the video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like. Or if you have any more comments, any help, just comment down below and I'll make sure to help you guys. And yeah, if you're running into something else or you want to do something else with your settings or some of that, just let me know. And don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.